Okay, so this video is going to show you how to put a YouTube video into a Google slideshow. So I click on the YouTube video that I want to add, and I go and I copy the link. Then I go to the slideshow and I click Insert, and I scroll down to Video. Then I put in my YouTube link, so I just paste it in and I hit search. And I had already done this, so it already showed up, but it would just search for it and then you select it. And then the video gets put in and I make it as big as I can and just kind of move things around just like you would on a regular PowerPoint type presentation. And then it is embedded. So I did that for like this song, I did it for this book, and then for my 2 video clips. So again, you just go on YouTube, look up, so like I could type in anything that I wanted, and I click on it, and then I copy the link, go to the slideshow, insert video, search, click, select, and then there it is. So now there's 2 of those. But hopefully that gives the idea.